There is little doubt that technology is revolutionizing the global maritime industry, which means that learning is crucially important.
At sea, we must have competent people. To promote this, we must have the highest standards of education and training. The problem is the standards of education and training vary. That's one of the things that we're looking at in this issue of Alert. As the push towards technology continues, the human element issues associated with that technology are far too often overlooked.
The fact is, competence is achieved through the pulling together of a number of factors: effective education and training, the seafarer's aptitude, knowledge and understanding of the subject, and on the availability of opportunities to develop skills and experience.
There are, of course, training facilities all around the maritime world. The question is, how effective is the training and education they deliver?
The whole area of education and training is controversial, not least because the standards vary. One problem is that not all trainers actually know how to specify and then deliver the human component of ship systems. Another problem is that many trainers simply don't have up-to-date seagoing experience.
One of the difficulties many marine organisations are facing is the number of surveyors and superintendents coming into the industry without the necessary knowledge of the marine environment or indeed of life at sea. Obviously, it's very difficult to train in years of experience. The best training will be provided by those who have the experience and expertise and are themselves good trainers. Anything else is a compromise. Poor trainers sometimes fail, either because they don't take account of cultural and language differences, or more often because they simply can't motivate their trainees or pass on their experience and expertise in a way that optimises student learning.
While there will never be a substitute for the hard-earned experience of life at sea, a well-thought-out system of training can go a long way towards redressing the balance.
The training ship, for example, is an important and flexible classroom for seafaring education. Students can experience the whole process of ship's management and operation.
It's also important that companies make the best use of the valuable ex-seagoing resources within the organisation and make sure that knowledge is passed on. The next generation of surveyors and superintendents must have an understanding of the perils of the sea in the same way that seafarers always have done.
On board ship, the master, of course, has a leading role, which means that leadership training is another essential.
Competence applies to teams as well as individuals. The master must be able to lead the team so that the ship is seaworthy at all times and that the ISM code is applied in a positive manner. The officers must be able to demonstrate best practice at all times in running the ship in a safe and seaman-like manner. Technical skills will of course be necessary, but so will people skills, since they are what binds everything together. This is when leadership becomes crucial. Yet although there are training courses which involve leadership, such as firefighting, bridge team management, few, if any of these, really dig deeply into the basic principles of leadership.
So competent people make the difference, because competent people make the ship safe. Yet as we have seen, there's still much to be done to ensure that education and training is robust and effective. That's all for this programme.
But if you visit the website, you'll find further comments, suggestions and opinions from respected marine professionals around the world. And if you have any opinions or suggestions, we'd like to hear from you too.
Hope to see you again soon.